Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory that often gets overlooked, but can significantly impact your audio setup. The AGVEE 2-Pack 3FT USB cable, specifically designed for popular microphones like the Blue Yeti and HyperX Quadcast. Right off the bat, one notices the exquisite workmanship. This isn't just any generic cable. It's crafted to complement the delicate aesthetic of a Blue Yeti microphone. The gold-plated plug isn't just for show. It's a practical feature designed to resist rust and corrosion, even in high humidity or high salinity environments. The aluminum alloy shell, treated with a microarc oxidation process, feels incredibly robust, making the surface harder and more resistant to wear and tear. It's clear that strict quality inspection standards were applied, ensuring fine appearance details and a refusal to be shoddy, with all components made from environmentally friendly materials. A particularly thoughtful aspect is its slim design. The end of the connector is slender enough to ensure it works in most situations without interfering with other plugs on your device. This precise interface means you can simply plug and charge or transfer data without any hassle. The same durable aluminum alloy shell contributes to its overall resilience. When it comes to durability, this cable truly stands out. It's manufactured in strict accordance with industry standards, without any shortcuts. Powered by quality tinned copper conductors, it boasts an impressive 15,000+ bend test rating, indicating it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The premium TPE material ensures it can endure extreme temperatures, down to -50, without cracking. These Blue Yeti microphones' USB cables are clearly designed for the harshest routines, promising longevity. For anyone concerned about audio quality, the AGVEE cable offers more stable data transfer. It features a built-in high-frequency shielding layer, which cleverly replaces the bulky ferrite magnetic ring often seen on other cables, resulting in more stable performance. It supports standard 480 Mbps data transfer speeds for USB 2 devices and is backwards compliant with full-speed USB 1.1 and low-speed USB 1. This ensures noiseless data transmission between your PC and your Blue Yeti USB microphone, ultimately making your sound more pleasant and professional. Compatibility is key, and this cable is designed for a specific range of microphones. It works perfectly with the Blue Yeti USB mic, including the Blackout Edition, the Blue Yeti Pro mic, the Blue Snowball Ice USB mic, and the HyperX Quadcast microphone. However, it's crucial to note that it is not for the Blue Yeti Nano, Blue Yeti X, Old Gen Blue Snowball, or Raspberry. So, before making a purchase, it's always wise to double-check your microphone's interface. In conclusion, for those seeking a reliable, durable, and high-performing USB cable for their compatible Blue Yeti or HyperX Quadcast microphone, the AGVEE 2-Pack offers a compelling solution. Its superior build quality, thoughtful design, and commitment to stable data transfer make it a worthwhile upgrade for any setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.